Sisngi hadirin baka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union kalarai bansange banwanra umpenyang sa kajala Meghalaya. Hende kasngi ka apnu terek unai weng nakilang kipulit jong kajala Meghalaya kelasenran yakini kalikit umpenyang banrung sa kajala Meghalaya. Laban penggemau balemba kajing tho balapan mi da ka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union kabalapan pau henen kasngi ka apsau terek unai weng baki nongnya yaki kalikit umpenyang kitiang banrung sa kajala Meghalaya nakadaw ko jinglong jingman jong kajala hadirin kajing sa set yap jong kindermut kibreu hamuk West Gentle Hills District.
What is happening here is that since yesterday, because of security concerns in Meghalaya, the Tanker Drivers Association, which is Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union, they had temporarily stopped the supplies. And yesterday, after assurance from the government that they'll be providing police escort, so today the supplies to Meghalaya have resumed. And the Meghalaya police, as you can see in the background, they are stationed here in Jorabad and they are escorting all the vehicles all the way down to the different districts of Meghalaya. And so we from the Petroleum Dealers Association, we are very grateful to the Meghalaya government and particularly to the police department and the IC sir from Burniat and the SP sir from Rivoy for providing us with all the support so that the smooth supplies to Meghalaya continue. And we from our Dealers Association, we would like to also say that we stand together and it was a very sad event that we had to lose so many lives, and we hope and pray that peace and prosperity will continue within our state of Meghalaya.